Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I've got a huge TJ Maxx haul to share with you, and I've probably forgotten a lot of these things, and a couple items that I purchased will also be going in my giveaway. I will definitely link it down below, and without further ado, let's just jump right in and start this haul. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna go through is this giant bag, and if you guys see these, they're like 99 cents at checkout. They're humongous. I always get these bags to use at Aldi because they don't do bags there. You have to buy the bags, and it's nice on the planet to use these reusable bags. And I did go to TJ Maxx multiple times, probably 3 or 4 times at least. So this is from several different trips. This has been saved up for a few weeks now. I'm gonna start with this bag right here. So I got a couple of boxes. These are more like just storage boxes that I thought were really cute. The first one says no problema, and it's so cute. I love it. This was $2.99, and this is by Clementine Paper Ink, and I just thought it was really cute, and it's just the perfect little storage size to put some things in. I also got a big one to go with it. This one was $5.99, and it's just got the llamas all over it and with cactus, which I think are really cute. I love me some cacti, so that is really adorable, and I just couldn't resist. It's so cute, and again, lots of space, and I even like the little design in the lid. Also in this bag is a Stila Stay All Day Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Rosé. This was only $3.99, which I just thought, yeah, I'm gonna get that. I can't pass it up. I always check all the cosmetics to make sure that they're not used, and I will sometimes also go on checkfresh.com and look up the batch codes to make sure like they're not super old. But this lip liner is just a really nice pink, and I just don't have that many lip liners, so there you go. One of the things I got for me and for you guys is the e.l.f. Beautifully Precise 9-piece Ultimate Brush Kit. Now, I have been wanting these brushes for a while. I just didn't want to pay the price tag that you normally see. This set was $19.99. It is so nice. I actually have 2 of these, so you guys are gonna get one. This one's opened already, so I'm gonna leave the sealed one for you guys. This is what the set looks like. I've seriously wanted these since they came out, so this is so nice looking, especially for an e.l.f. brush, and they're not that expensive. I think like if you go to Target, this is like $12.99 alone, and that doesn't even go into the rest of the brushes, so I think it's a really good deal. Airbrush Stipple Swirl Foundation Brush. So it actually looks like a little swirl in there. You get a few eye brushes, you get this large blending brush, which I actually have one of these already, and then a sculpting brush. So all together, I think this is a really good set. I'm definitely most excited. I'm definitely most excited about that powder brush. For $19.99, I had to pick these up. Onto a little bag. I saw this, and the box is like incredibly crushed, but it is completely sealed up, so that's what made me get it. It's only $5, and this is the Perricone MD Super Berry with Acai Dietary Supplement. And it says it's a powerful dose of antioxidants with a combination of berries with raspberries, blueberries, and acai. Okay. I swear, I think these sell for like $80, like some insane amount, because we sell them at Sephora, and they're not an old product. So I am really excited to have seen these, and I will try them out. I will let you guys know what I think about them in one of my upcoming vlogs. I got another one of the Pirates of the Caribbean lipstick and gloss little duo. This was only $2.99, and this is definitely like something you won't be seeing again, because this was a limited edition thing that they did with the movie when it came out. That's what it looks like there. Ooh, so it's definitely something different, but I just couldn't pass it up. You've got the gloss end as well. And the gloss is probably a little bit more wearable. $2.99. The last thing in this bag is a little pajama set. So this is shorts and a t-shirt. The shorts are so adorable. They've got little like octopus, you've got lobster, mermaid, starfish, some little like nautical things. I just thought they were so adorable. The top is pink, and it just says beach please. Really soft and perfect for summer. I saw this blanket and I thought it was really cute, but I left it there. I was like, no, I don't need any more blankets. And when I went back, it was still there, and I was like, oh, it's a sign, let me get it. So this is a heavyweight throw, and it just has hamburgers on it. I think it's so cute, and I can't wait to snuggle up with this. It was $14.99, and this one's pretty nice on both sides too, so I really like that. I always pay attention if it's sometimes like the material on the other side is just like complete crap. This one's really nice on both sides, and I can't wait to snuggle up with it. Let me just go ahead and grab the other bag that has a blanket in it so that I can just go ahead and tell you how much I don't need blankets. This one is definitely more sophisticated. This one was $16.99 and it's like this soft dusty rose. I love the little pattern in it. It's just like a little zigzag. Very, very soft, and again, nice on both sides. It's basically the same on both. And this is a velvet throw. Because we're not in the same shopping trip, at least I can say that much, but I love them both. So this is a iHome Power rechargeable battery. My phone, I think, is like getting to the point where it will not hold a charge very well, and I'm just like putting off getting a new phone because I really don't want to change my phone, to be honest. I'm not one of those that's like, oh my god, I have to have the new phone. But this is only $12.99 and it is iHome, so you know it's a good brand, and it also was in the rose gold. This was like one of those rare times when you go in hunting something and actually find it. Like normally you just find a good deal and you're like, oh, I don't really need that, but I might need it in 6 months or so. But this time I was like, I really hope I can find one, and I want a good one. And so I am super stoked about this. It's really gonna come in handy. I'm gonna charge it up and put it in my purse. NYX Beyond Basic, and I think I bought this for my giveaway as well, I'm pretty sure, because this has a little palette. It has the matte liquid lipstick and a liner. So you guys will see that in my giveaway as well. I got this wallet and it has lipstick all over it. It is Betsy Johnson and it is $16.99. I thought it was really, really cute. I never buy wallets, and it's something like I'm always needing and never have. Really big and roomy too. It's got a lot of places for cards. You've got a ton of room in it, so this will come in handy for sure. And $16.99 is a pretty good deal, and I just love that it had lipstick and it's pink and it's very girly. I also picked these up especially for when we go to the beach, but really anytime. The blue one says thirsty and the pink one says always on point. And they're cacti. I am so cactus obsessed. It's a sickness, and I know that it's probably like some people are over it. They're like, okay, on to the next thing, because it's like flamingos and then cactus or whatever. I don't care. I love cactus. And this was only $3.99 for these little koozies. I got two more of the Stila Lipliners, Sangria and Zinfandel. So they're two more pinks. Zinfandel in the middle and that's Sangria. And then I got one of the Stay All Day liquid lipsticks in the shade Note. This was $5.99. This is definitely a darker shade. I love a dark shade like this every now and then though. This will be so, so pretty in the fall and winter. I also got this little NYX set, which is Bangkok, and it's got some eye and cheek colors along with that purple lip. And this was only $5.99. Okay, somehow some Target socks got in here, but I'll show you guys because they're really cute. This says Life's a Peach. I love their little socks. They always have the cutest. It's Life's a Peach. These have little blowfish on them. Oh, they're so cute. If you guys have never watched How I Met Your Mother, it's definitely one of my favorite shows, and I just remember them talking about Gouda in an episode. One of the socks has a little Gouda. Have a Gouda day. Let's see what's in this bag. I got another Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Amalfi. It is super hot pink. There's a shade from Stila that was discontinued. I can't remember. Was it Fresco? I think it might have been Fresco. There was a was my nude that I loved and it's discontinued, and I think my little baby one that I had left is pretty much dried out at this point. It's here. I also got this little speaker. I'll have to grab it really quick. So I got this little speaker and I've already been using it. It is the BPM Retro Wireless Portable Speaker. And this is what she looks like. So it's like gold with this light pink. And it was really good. This was only like $15. And I feel like this is kind of like a knockoff for like a Beats Pill or something like that. But I just wanted something where I could play music and be more sound in the house than just on my phone. So yeah, I just thought this would come in handy, and it really has. I've enjoyed it. I've been keeping it on my mantle. So if I'm like cleaning, doing dishes, whatever I'm doing in the house, I can pretty much hear it anywhere, and it really just fills up the room with sound. So good purchase. I also got this. So this is a wet and dry brush cleansing pad. So obviously the front is more for like washing your brushes because you can massage them in, but it also has this dry on the back, which is basically like one of those coarse sponges, kind of like my color switch. I always use my color switch to like change brushes and go from one to the next, or like use a brush that I used for my transition. I'll like clean it off and then use that to blend to like remove excess shadow. And yeah, I just thought this would be fun to try out, and it was only $4.99. The last thing in this bag is a Pixie, and it's Judy Time. It's Get the Look eyeshadow palette. And I know that this is an older product for sure, but I think it was like a limited edition collab. And I haven't tried a whole lot from Pixi in their makeup. I've tried a couple of their, like, you know, the Glow Tonic, which is amazing, and a few other products, but I haven't really delved into their makeup that much. It comes with this like mirror thing. Oh, and it says it comes with a detached mirror for custom placement. So, oh, I guess you can like put it on the back. I guess that's what it's for. So this is really cute. This is a lot of neutrals, but they look really pretty. I can't wait to play with this. This will probably make me want to get more Pixi makeup. Next bag, I have already taken this out of the box. Picked up a Gucci Infinite Precision liner, and mainly I just had to pick this up to see if it was worth the price. It was $20, which is a lot for a liner at TJ Maxx. It's a really pretty color, but I haven't played with it too much yet. But yeah, I'm gonna put it to the test and see if it's really worth it. But it seems like brand new, like the packaging was not touched, not smudged, not anything. A Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold intense wrinkle sheet mask. This was $8.99, but I know that these are pretty expensive, so I'm excited to try this out. I've tried the under eye ones, and I got one of these in gratis one time, but I gave it to my aunt, so I am excited to try it out. It's got neuropeptides and peptides and hyaluronic acid. So, I'm excited. I also got 2 pair of lashes, and these were the Lily for Sephora collection. I do not remember these. Like, I remember there was a set over this past holiday season where we had 2 sets of Lily lashes, but I don't remember these individuals. I know we've got them now, and that's like a new collab, but I've never really worn that many Lily lashes other than the holiday Sephora collection. So I'm excited to try these. I got both Mykonos and Miami. So there is Miami. Hopefully you will see a little bit of what that looks like. And Mykonos is definitely a very full dramatic lash, more dramatic than what I would typically wear. These were $7.99 a piece. Give you a look. I'm not sure. I've got on lashes now that are like what I feel are like perfect for my eyes, and these may be a little bit much, but we're gonna try them out. I'm trying to get more used to wearing lashes all the time, so that I can like just get over that and just wear them a lot. This is the Miami. Got one more little bag to go, and it looks like there is just one thing in here. This is more pajamas. Blankets, pajamas, and makeup is pretty much what I get every time. So this is Cacti, and they're so cute. These are the shorts, and they've got a little pink tassel on the drawstring, and the waistband is ruffly. I'm so ecstatic. Look at these little drawstrings. And then the top, this one is a racerback. So really, really cute. Again, very soft, very cozy, and perfect for hot Alabama summer. That's everything I've gotten from TJ Maxx over the past few weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. Definitely be sure to check out my giveaway below, and there's tons of ways that you can enter, including watching a couple of my videos. So definitely do that, and make sure to subscribe because that will be a requirement for entering my giveaway. And I appreciate you guys watching so much. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.